Hey guys, what's going on? It's AFL Cars and Stuff here, and today I'm back with a box of 2017 AFL Select Certified. It's the continuation of last year's set, as I'll crack open into the box. Need to break the seal. So it's the continuation of last set. So every team that had a footy finest last year now has the Guernsey, and every team that had the Guernsey cards last year now has a footy's finest. There's also another special card that's actually not written on the side here. I've seen a few of them on eBay though. It's called Influential, and I know the Crows one is Rory Sloane in there. There's only 40 of them, and there's one from every team, so they're going to be quite rare and quite hard to collect. I'm just going to quickly show you the odds. If you want to get a screenshot of that or whatever. There you go. Alright, let's get into it. There's a few changes from last year, but let's just get right into it. I'll go through them as we start to open. Alright, first pack we've got a Aaliyah 460, so a certified 460. So they've carried them on from last year, and so they're still numbered out of 460, and this one's number 34. And I really like the common cards this year. Gold embossing on their name, which looks really slick, and the white background is going to be really good for autographs. Logo card there. Yeah, there we go. Phil Davis, used to be a Crows player. Alright, next pack, second pack. Alright, next certified. Certified 460 Jack Crisp from Collingwood. 115 out of 460. Next pack. Alright, we've hit one of the new inserts this year, and so it's replacing the team leader from last year, and it's called Goal to Goal. So when there's Will Schofield, so it's fullback, centre halfback, centre half forward, and full forward. And these are numbered to 285, so that's 157 to 285 there. Okay, so there's so they're 1 in 12, as you would have seen just before when I showed you the odds. Oh, hit a back-to-back goal to goal. Ben Griffiths, centre half forward from Richmond. Hasn't been playing much this year. I think he's had a few issues with concussion. And that's number 47. So far we haven't had a missed pack yet, but there'll be a few of those. Bang. Alright, so these are the AAs. I believe they're 1 in 6. Yes, they are. So you get 6 of them per box, and this one's Josh Kennedy. So all Australians. They are not numbered. Whoa, we've hit the final goal to goal. So we've got Adam Tomlinson from GWS, centre half back. And 254 of 285. Alright. Oh, that's not the best. So we've got a certified 460, but it's just the Freo checklist. It's not the ones you want. You don't want to get the checklist. 297 of 460. So far we haven't hit a miss. I'm not sure if that's a good sign or a bad sign, but I'm hoping it's a good sign. Alright, hit our next AA. Alex Rance. Oh, I thought that was something good. It's just a checklist. Alright, so that's our first dud pack. Oh, 2 dud backs in a row there. But I just thought I'd show you that. So that's the Eddie Betts common. As some of you know, Crows is my team. Alright, we've hit our third AA. Josh Kennedy from the Sydney Swans. So we've got both Josh Kennedys now. Next pack. I do like the look of the certified 460s this year. We just hit another one. Tim Membry. 234 of 460. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you've opened any certified yet. It's only just come out today. Let me know, if you pulled anything good. Next pack, another certified. Michael Hurley. Essendon's in pretty good form this year. 228 of 460. Another certified 460, Maxi Gawn. He's out for quite a while this year with a hamstring injury. Lucky he's back now. 342 of 460. Another all common pack. Alright, we've hit our fourth AA, or All Australian. Marcus Bontempelli. Part of the premiership team from last year. Bulldogs not doing the best this year though. Oh, this one's tough. All commons there. Still haven't hit the two rookies or the certified autograph, which will be the third year this year. I believe this is our fifth AA, and it's Eddie Betts. Hopefully he's back this week for the showdown. I'll just move these up a bit so you can see them more. Okay, so we've hit our first rookie. Nick Larkey. And it's rookie card 73, so he must have been picked 73. And these are numbered to 220, so a bit more limited than last year. And that's numbered 132. Believe they're a little bit more limited because there was more people drafted this year compared to last year. There was only 70, I think. Alright, hit another certified 460. Ben McAvoy. 203 of 460. Oh, this one's tough. Oh, that was a lot of work for an all commons pack, unfortunately. Alright, AA, Eric Kipwood. Young up-and-coming key forward. That's numbered 448 of 460. Going to be a great prospect in the future. Alright, I believe this is our last AA of the box. Heath Shaw. Not having the best season this year, but he's still playing pretty well. Another 460, Nathan Vardy. Moved to West Coast from Geelong this year. 252 of 460. Another all commons pack. Another all commons pack. Not many packs left to go now guys. Another certified. Bob Murphy or Robert Murphy. 133 of 460. Alright, I'll just grab out all the remaining packs. Got that many left. I'm not sure how many that is. Alright, got a Crow Boy. Curtly Hampton, certified 460. He's been injured recently though. 141 of 460. Still need a SIG and a rookie and probably a couple more 460s. Okay, we've hit the certified signature. A nice one too. Geelong, Tom Lonergan. There we go, it's a nice one. And these are out of 240 this year, and that's numbered 73. So the rookies are actually, there's actually less rookies than there are certified. I'll just put a penny sleeve on him. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. I'll put it on the side. Another All Commons pack. Hopefully we can pull something big here, guys. Okay, we've hit a certified 460. Justin Westhoff. And it's numbered 277 of 460. 5 packs left, guys. Okay, we've hit our last rookie. And it's actually another Geelong player. So we've got Tom Lonergan signature. And we've got Tim House from Geelong. And he must have been, it's rookie card 68, so he must have been pick 68. And it's numbered 65 of 220. Do like the new design of the rookie cards this year. I think it's quite nice. Okay. Guys, we have just had a massive hit. I'm not even sure how rare these are. It doesn't even say. They don't even have a weighting. And it is out of 40. This is the influential card, Luke Hodge from Hawthorn, 7 out of 40. What a monster hit. That's crazy. I'm going to sleeve him up straight away. I've got to be very careful I don't hit any corners there. Oh, I can't believe it, guys. I'm in shock. That's awesome. I'll show you the back. There's nothing special about the back. This is a mega card, guys. There's only 40 available. Really, really limited. Luke Hodge is unfortunately retiring at the end of this year. I think he's a great player. Premiership star, 2-time Norm Smith medalist, captain of Hawthorn. Wow, I can't believe it, guys. That's going front and center. I'm actually just going to quickly get a top loader for him as I'm opening a pack. Alright, so there's 3 packs left, guys. All commons. 2 packs left. Not expecting much more now. Alright, I'm just going to quickly put him in a top loader. He's too valuable to leave out that long. Guys, I'm physically shaking. That's nuts. There we go. Alright, last pack. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you guys have opened any certified and what you got. Alright, finally end up with an all commons pack. Alright, thanks guys for watching. See you soon.